When you have a review, so the board review, then you want to have, of course, focus on the issues. So when you have a report with hundreds of KPIs, then you don't have a focus, of course. The board wants to see at a glance what is in some kind of a cockpit, what is happening in the company. And when you have the old visuals, like a table chart or a graph, then you don't have enough room to put everything in one page. So with the KPI card, you can make sure that the most important KPIs all fit in one page. So that's great. And now we also have to think about, okay, how can we make sure that the most important KPI or the KPI you want to discuss pops up the most? But well, we will work that out for sure. Yeah, for me, this is a real big one. So what we see in the past, and maybe that's because KPN is a corporate, the reports, they have been made, they are managed dashboards. So if we want to have a change, we always need IT to make a change to a report. But you don't want to completely mix it up and that nothing stays the same, because you want to have that IBCS look and feel and that everybody understands what he's looking at. But he says, okay, I don't want to see revenue, but I want to see direct cost, then I should be able to switch to direct cost. Or I want to see a certain KPI in the left corner. Now I have to send a mail or ask via Teams chat, can you change the setting of the KPI, the placement? And then it takes a sprint, and then it has to be released, and then it's available. But I have a review in 2 hours, and I want to review it with management. So when you have a report which consists of all the KPIs you want, and you can make your own selection. Okay, I want to see these 10 KPIs, and you can arrange the placement and arrange the size yourself without the help of IT. I think that's a game changer. So more power to the end user. That's what I see. That's what I see at the moment, yes.